friends, welcome back to my channel Enriching Minds. So today we are going to learn about weather and climate chapter of grade 5 CBSE part 2. Why does climate vary? So have you ever seen like the weather changing? So there are different factors which change the weather. So in this we are going to learn about what are them, and in the next part I'll be preparing the video for doing explaining those factors. So come on, we'll move into the topic. Why does climate vary? So sun is the main source of heat and light, but all the regions on earth do not receive the same amount of heat and light from the sun because, for example, this is the earth. Just for example, okay, but for example, think you have a earth in front of you. So it is always circle in shape, right? So when it's circle in shape, or the things which are on the top will receive less sunlight, and things which are like okay, so thing is the earth, and the things which are near the poles receive very less sunlight, and which are in the middle they receive so much of sunlight. So whenever you see the earth, the middle of the earth, which are the equator, receives direct rays. So it receives direct rays from the sun, and it's very hot throughout the year over there. But the places near the poles receive very less sunlight because there's no equator, and they receive slanting rays, which is not very hot. And this matters about the places distance from the equator affects the climate. Also, that's a factor. So the factors that affect climate are distance from the equator, altitude or height above the sea level, distance from the sea, direction of winds. So these four factors affect the climate of a place. And we come back to the topic. So uh, all the regions on Earth do not receive same heat and light from the sun because the sun uh, receives like the middle part of the earth which is near the equator receives direct rays, and the parts which are in the poles, just like south pole and north pole, near them they receive slanting rays. So it's not cold, but it's kind of moderate throughout the year, and these are the factors which vary the climate. And in the next video I'll be preparing about the factors and their information and explain you. So this is the end of a chapter. Thank you.